Problem 19. At the start of a trip the odometer read 56200. The driver filled the tank with 6 gallons. Later, at 56,560, he added 12 gallons. At the end, at 57,060, he added 20 gallons. To the nearest tenth, what was the average miles per gallon for the entire trip? The choices are 22.5, 22.6, 24.0, 26.9, and 27.5. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Distance traveled. Gas used to cover it, the 2 later fills. Divide. So the average is about 26.9 miles per gallon, choice D.